Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Android. This can be useful if you want to connect another device to your Wi-Fi network or share the password with someone else. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Now tap on Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, or Connections. Here, you will see the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. Tap on the gear icon or tap on the connected network to open its details. Now look for an option called Share, QR code, or something similar. Tap on it. Your phone may ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or password. Once verified, a QR code will appear on the screen. On some Android phones, the Wi-Fi password will be displayed directly below the QR code. If the password is not visible, take a screenshot of the QR code. Then open Google Lens and scan the QR code screenshot. Google Lens can read the QR code and show the Wi-Fi name and password. You can then use that password to connect other devices to the network. So this is how you can find your Wi-Fi password on Android. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.